artwork, I need to do it, and then frame it. Please, before I put it there, you need to pay me. That's my work. And then from that age, all they think about is how to produce, not how you can employ them. They are looking to be employers at the end of it. So, and that's the kind of thing we want to help the teachers, help young girls to be able to achieve. Because if we're able to train them, a lot of them will get jobs as teachers, quality teachers. When we train them, a lot of them can go ahead and open up early childhood centers that they can work and also earn money. When we train them, they can become trainers, which is like a ripple effect. So I train the same thing that is going on. We train the teachers. If they don't want to work, they can actually start up, another center where they can train other teachers, other young girls that can become teachers. So it's a lot of, to give them a lot of advantage, because another thing about Montessori education is that when you have the certificate, you can actually get a job anywhere in the world, like we said. So some of them might actually get a job outside the country. But the basic thing now is that for us to be able to do that, the same challenge we'll be talking about, we don't have power, we don't have electricity, a lot of the things might be online because a lot of the study and a lot of the teaching aid would also have to come from outside the country. You can't get Montessori materials in Nigeria. We import Montessori material. So these are things that we have to, we are looking for, or we are soliciting, maybe for partnership, global partnership, to be able to even set up that kind of center and be able to get those materials in there, to be able to train them. Because when we finish training them, we can also give back to the society, to the global society, not just Nigeria, not just in the center, not just in Europe. So we are looking to partner with people that will be interested in helping us youth to become this, or to achieve this dream, to become people that can fit in anywhere in the world, but more so to be able to have quality education in Nigeria. Quality education. There's education and there's quality education. Because we know if we can train these teachers in this Montessori education, the way we see education would change. And that's one of the important parts of this. And I want you to please look at it that way, that the center is moving into another angle, which is actually unique, that is going to change the life of young women and even boys. Actually, if we have young boys, because I've seen Montessorians that are men. So but we know that the major thing is to help these young ladies and to empower them and to help them to get jobs. So please, we are actually looking out for partners to help us, even in the project that we are doing. The project, the solar system that we are installing is not yet done. And without electricity, even the teaching and all the things we want to do, it can't actually go on. So we have a lot, and the dream continues. So this is where I stop, and if she has done so far in 10 years, she'll do a lot more in the next few years. Thank you.
Okay, all right, let me wrap up here. Wonderful Q&A, okay, Q&A.